What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best 3-ton floor jack on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Yellow Jacket 3-ton floor jack. Yellow Jacket 3-ton floor jack is designed with an all-aluminum frame for easy carrying and long-lasting use. It is more lightweight than traditional steel models, which makes it convenient to move without extra effort. This car jack supports up to 3 tons or 6,600 pounds, making it ideal for vehicles like family cars, sport utility vehicles, and trucks. The jack adjusts from a minimum height of 3.75 inches to a maximum height of 18.9 inches, allowing smooth lifting under different types of vehicles. It is a useful addition for regular garage tasks or emergency roadside support. Dual piston pump system enables faster lifting with less strain. This advanced lifting mechanism works better than single pump jacks, helping you lift your vehicle quickly and safely. The anti-slip handle is added to support easier handling while working. Included with the jack is a rubber saddle and a handle covered with foam bumper, which offers protection and comfort during lifting. The built-in load limiting system works automatically to avoid overloading, keeping your safety in focus. Movement and storage are easier with 2 swivel rear casters and 2 fixed front rollers. These wheels ensure smooth shifting and flexibility. A side handle is attached for simple transport and storage in your garage or car trunk. Made by Torin, this blue Yellow Jacket jack meets American Society of Mechanical Engineers standards for safety and performance, offering peace of mind when used. It is a great option for those seeking a reliable and lightweight floor jack. In our list, the number 4 product name is Big Red Hydraulic Low Profile Service / Floor Jack. Big Red Hydraulic Low Profile Floor Jack comes with a lifting ability of 4 tons or 8,800 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. Its design supports work on compact cars, sport utility vehicles, and light trucks. With a lifting range starting at 4 inches and reaching up to 20 inches, it provides access for general garage repairs and home vehicle care. Built using strong steel construction, this service jack offers stability while supporting heavy vehicles. Its sturdy frame helps maintain balance even at full height, reducing the risk of movement during use. It is designed to assist both professional users and those maintaining their vehicles at home. The dual-pump hydraulic system is made to reach full lift with only 9 strokes, allowing quicker raising of the vehicle without heavy physical effort. This system, along with the slow descent control and built-in safety feature, supports a safer working experience. For better handling, the jack is fitted with 2 fixed wheels and 2 swivel casters. These wheels improve control while positioning or moving the jack around tight spaces. It is made to roll smoothly on garage floors or outdoor surfaces. The handle can be taken off when needed, helping to save room in your garage or storage area. The universal fit makes it easier to use on different types of vehicles without special tools or accessories. With a bold red finish, this floor jack from Big Red combines strength and ease of use for lifting tasks at home or in the workshop. In our list, the number 3 product name is Maotifeys 3-ton floor jack. Maotifeys 3-ton hydraulic floor jack is made to help with car repairs and emergency lifts in both garage and workshop settings. It supports up to 6,000 pounds and lifts from 3.3 inches to 18.5 inches, making it a good match for vehicles with low or high clearance. Its wide range is helpful for regular service or tire changes. The strong steel frame gives this jack a solid structure, offering reliability while lifting. Rear wheels that turn in all directions make it simple to move across different surfaces, while the front wheels help with smooth guiding. It is made to be controlled without effort, even in tight areas. 2 piston pumps raise the vehicle quickly with fewer strokes. This makes lifting more efficient and helps save time. A safety system built into the structure prevents loading beyond its limit, which helps avoid damage or unsafe operation. A rubber saddle helps keep the vehicle safe from scratches during lifting, and the padded bumper on the handle adds comfort while in use. The saddle can also turn completely and can be removed when needed. The long handle offers better control and requires less force to lift the load. When not in use, the handle can be taken apart in 2 pieces, saving space in small storage areas. To get the best result from the tool, always place jack stands under the vehicle after lifting. Before using the handle, adjust the bolt to avoid it slipping out and make sure it is tightened correctly. This blue Maotifeys jack offers strength and function for basic car maintenance needs. In our list, the number 2 product name is Arltamox Floor Jack 3-ton. Arltamox floor jack with a 3-ton or 6,600 pounds capacity is designed to support multiple vehicle types including vans, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. Its lifting range begins at 2.95 inches and reaches up to 19.69 inches, making it helpful for cars with very low clearance as well as taller vehicles. The strong steel frame is built to stay stable during lifting tasks. With 2 fixed wheels and 2 rotating casters, the jack is made to move smoothly in tight or open spaces. It supports maneuvering across different floor surfaces with minimal effort. The rubber saddle can rotate fully and helps protect the contact point on the vehicle during lifting. Dual pump pistons make raising the vehicle quicker, helping you reduce the time needed for basic maintenance or emergency lifts. This system is helpful for both professional and everyday users. A foam-covered handle gives extra comfort and better grip during use, especially when working for longer periods. The handle is made in 2 connected parts, so it can be stored in smaller spaces when not needed. Its extended length also improves control, which makes operation easier. The oil valve design helps manage lifting and lowering the vehicle safely by turning the valve correctly. With its universal fit, this blue jack supports common vehicle types used for work or daily travel. Whether handling routine repairs or unexpected road issues, this tool can assist with quick lifts in home garages or on the move. In our list, the number 1 product name is AV Steel 3-ton heavy-duty hydraulic floor jack for car. AV Steel 3-ton hydraulic floor jack can lift up to 6,600 pounds, supporting a wide range of vehicles including sedans, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. It raises from 5.5 inches to 18.5 inches, which covers common lifting needs for both standard and larger vehicles. Made from strong steel, this jack provides a firm base for lifting tasks in both home garages and industrial settings. Its construction is built for strength and regular use. 2 rear wheels that rotate in all directions and fixed front wheels help it move smoothly across garage floors or work surfaces. A single piston pump allows quick lifting with fewer motions, helping save time during tire changes or light maintenance. The saddle on top rotates fully, helping you position the jack under different lift points while also offering protection for the vehicle. This jack includes an overload prevention system, which helps avoid pressure beyond its lifting limit. That helps reduce risks during use and supports safer lifting practices. Its wide platform and stable frame are made to support heavy vehicles during operation. With a design that fits many types of vehicles, this multicolor jack can be used for emergency roadside service or regular garage work. Whether working on a personal car or helping others, it fits into most maintenance setups. Its design is made for practical use, and it meets safety standards set by the American National Standards Institute and the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. This tool can be a helpful part of everyday repairs or weekend projects involving vehicle lifting.